This video is a circular driveway. It goes up and around the person's house. And the whole thing was a decent rock bed, but it was really pitted out, had lots of potholes, things like that. So we did this morning. It's like 14 loads of rock. But it gives her a nice thick driveway and crowned in the middle, so all of the water goes off to the sides and into the catch basins and not down her driveway, which is what was happening. Here's Sean just finishing up top. As he backs out of my shot. There he is. And everything's smoothed out. So this is a larger area up here. And then we went clear around the driveway. Or around the garage. This was existing, but it was only about 8 feet wide. It's 12 now. Definitely not very usable. And then it goes all the way down this way, back to where we started. I'm not going to walk all the way down there, but all the way back to where we started.